Hello friends, continuing with the last topic. Today I am going to cover one of the another interesting topic, that is modern concept of gene. This is nothing but the gene. What is gene? Gene is nothing but the basic unit of inheritance. It's nothing but the small segment of DNA which is responsible for the expression or synthesis of specific type of protein or the particular RNA. First of all, it will particularly synthesize the RNA. On the basis of rRNA, it will be able to produce or synthesize the desired protein. The segment of DNA which is responsible for the expression of particular trait or a character is known as gene. So what I am saying, there are two definitions of the gene. One is the segment of DNA which provides the instruction for the synthesis of specific type of protein or RNA, or it's a segment of DNA which is responsible for the expression of particular character or a trait. So there are specifically three types of genes which has been there need to be consideration. First one is the cystone, which is nothing but which is also known as unit of function, which is responsible for the expression of any characteristics of a trait. It is made up of several around 100 base pairs. That means at least when you think about any protein molecule is made up of around 100 to thousands of amino acids. So a triplet codon will be code for the one amino acids. So protein molecule made up of thousands or hundreds of the molecules, so which will be nothing but this one. Mutant is nothing but the unit of mutation which will be responsible for the mutation. Means a particular segment which undergoes the mutation is known as the mutant. It will be made up of, it might be made up from a single nucleotide, or there will be very few bases of pair which will be there, which will be responsible for the mutation. And last one is nothing but the recon. Recon is nothing but the unit of recombination which will be participates in the recombination. It is also made up from few to many base pairs. The next topic is your DNA structure of in eukaryotic DNA. As you learn in the last year as well, there are in eukaryotic DNA or eukaryotic cell, there are the structure of a DNA is nothing but the double helical structure, where in prokaryotic it is a circular manner. So first in 1969, Frederick Mister separated the DNA from the nuclei of the first cell, and he named it as a nuclein, where study shows this nuclein is nothing but it has a acidic properties. On the basis of that, it has been named as a nucleic acid. There are different types of nucleic acid which has been found into the cell. One is your DNA and another is your RNA. The basic difference in the DNA RNA is the DNA is the genetic material which will be responsible for the genetic information, where the RNA is a non-genetic form which has been found into the eukaryotic cell. Where another most important difference in DNA and RNA is the sugar. The sugar which has been present into the DNA is the deoxyribose pentose sugar, which is having the structural formula of C5H10O4, where RNA has the ribose sugar, which is again a pentose sugar, but there is a change in the chemical formula C5H10O5, where the phosphate group which is present into the nucleic acid is nothing but the phosphoric acid, which has a 3 free hydroxyl active sites, where similarly RNA also has a 3 hydroxyl active sites. Another most important difference which has been found into the DNA and RNA, the nitrogen bases which are present. The nitrogen bases which are present into the DNA are the adenine, thymine, cytosine and guanine, where just thymine has been replaced with the uracil in cases of RNA. So that is one of the difference into the DNA and RNA. So before moving further, let's understand some basic terms. Nucleoside is nothing but the pentose sugar and the nitrogen base. Pentose sugar will be your ribose or deoxyribose, where nitrogen bases will be the adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine or uracil. So pentose sugar and nitrogen bases are known as nucleosides, where nucleotides are nothing but the nucleoside and the phosphate. In short, what I am saying, the nucleotides are nothing but the pentose sugar, nitrogen bases and the phosphate. Where if you look at the structure of a nucleotide, this is a pentose sugar, is a 5-carbon pentagonal ring, where this is the phosphate. This is the, if you look at the carbon arrangement, this is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. Okay, guys, just listen. This is on the third carbon there is a free hydroxyl ion, this OH ions, and this OH group, as well as at the fifth position this phosphate group. These two molecules will decide the polarity of the DNA or the DNA strand, these two molecules, just listen. First carbon, second carbon, on third carbon there is a hydroxyl group, where on the fifth carbon there is a phosphate group. These two groups, functional group, will decide the polarity of the DNA strand. Nitrogen bases will be at the first carbon, where there will be the adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine or uracil. In case of RNA, it will be uracil, which thymine will be get replaced with the uracil. So in short, structure of nucleotide comprises of pentose sugar, with nothing but the 5 carbon pentagonal ring, pentagonal structure ring, where the phosphate, which is nothing but the phosphoric acid, and cyclic compound, which are made up of nitrogen bases, which are nothing but the cyclic compound, which are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen.